who's looking for a deuce and a quarter, check this one out. 1970 Buick Electra 225 custom 4-door hardtop, and boy is this car original. 455 underneath the hood, V8 original engine, also in numbers matching automatic turbo hydromatic 400 transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC, cornet gold with the glacier white top. And yes, that's the way that this came from Buick back in 1970. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Interior, sandalwood interior. 604 is the trim code on that. You'll be able to check out that data plate, check out the trim code, the paint codes at uniqueclassiccars.com. They'll be in with the still pictures. Now, did want to show you a little touch-up paint down below here. According to the previous owners of this vehicle, original mile car, a little over 30,000 on it. We'll get around to the driver's side. I'll show you the odometer in a bit. With all the originality of this car, as far as engine, tranny, interior. Take a look at the stock dash. Very easily to believe that it is a original mile car. What a fun one to take down the road. Remember, we take trade-ins. Do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's also the Protecto plate, the owner's manual, pre-delivery inspection sheet, and some other miscellaneous paperwork from this when this car was sold new. Sold new in Iowa. There is also the original bug shield. We're going to put that in the trunk, let it go with the car. Obviously would have been an aftermarket component that was put on this vehicle, but that is straight out of the 70s also. We're going to put that in the trunk. Kind of cool nostalgia to have with it, just in case somebody would want to put it on. We decided to picture it, video it with it off. And again, check out those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And once again, 507-386-1726. Of course, the 4-door hardtop, no B-pillar between the front and rear doors. Take a look at this interior in a good sandalwood cloth interior. Very well preserved, maintained. No rips, tears, holes. Of course, the Electra 225 custom, for this matter, would have been one of the upper end cars from Buick back in 1970. There's your power seat, tilt column. Now, I mentioned earlier, this power brakes, power steering, and AC. AC compressor, everything kicks on and off. Appears all the components are there. I wouldn't say it blows real cold, but everything seems to be in working order, may need to be recharged. We're going to check underneath the hood. I'll let you take a look at that here in just a bit. Wipers did work. FYI, I did not get the radio to power up. Alright, see how easy that starts. Wow. And smooth running, good sounding. There's your miles. 34,161. Of course, the speed alert, where you could change that little yellow topped dial right there. And it will give you a warning chime if you exceed that speed. How cool is that? Remember that in my grandfather's car. Top of the dash, great shape. Of course, you had your shoulder belts as well as your lap belts. That's why you see so many of the seat belts on the seat. Headliner, good shape. There's that shoulder belt over there you can see. All right. Slip around to the back of that. It was a cold start, so we're going to have a little higher idle till it warms up. We'll go off that high idle. Sounds as it should. What you would expect out of a Buick 455 from 1970. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let me get this big hood open. A couple other blemishes I'll point out up here. I mean, yes, are there a few of them on there? But overall, not bad at all. Take a look up and down the side of this car. Very small ones, and it just has stood the test of time. There's no doubt about that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, pop this hood, check out the engine bay. We'll wrap this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, hood popped, hood liner, nice and clean. I did click the AC on. You can see the compressor is turning back here, but 455, 4-barrel. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Does not appear the AC has been converted either, so it still is R112. So like I said, maybe a conversion. This appears all the components are there. But wow, what a cool original 1970 Buick Electra Custom 225 4-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.